Hi, so this is my project for which is called Currently. Currently is an online platform to keep track of the activity of a group member or group members in a given team. So this was developed for development and design teams because oftentimes certain things like Git aren't necessarily the best for managing workflow and preventing overlap. So what Currently allows you to do is allows you to alleviate these concerns and kind of focus just being on able to view the productivity of your team and to work towards a common goal since each goal is specified. So there's user accounts, so you can log in. I have an account, but if you don't, you can press create an account. So I'm going to log into an account that I made, and then it logs you in, and immediately you can see that change in the taskbar. So I can see teams, and here I have a team made. You just go to a new team and create a new team. I have a team made already. It's for my chemistry project. And here I can type my update, so I'm working on the title slide. I can type another update, like now I'm working on script. And as updates, I can edit the team's information by specifying any kind of sort of changes. I can invite users, and I can even leave the team, like that. Just leave team. And I have no teams. On a different user, on a different browser, so on this user, I have something for Facebook mobile app, and I have myself, when I just joined, and I'm going to invite a user. So I'm going to invite myself, Arun.k, and it returns a search result. If it's a user does not exist, then you get no results. So go back here, press the invite button, and I've invited myself. Now if I refresh this page, I am able to join. I can say, here I am working on navigation controller implementation. So, and now you can refresh this page, and you can see any sort of changes that happen. And if you are the owner, you can even edit the page to kick out users so that they're gone. So if I go back to my team, and I have nothing. So this is all very straightforward. It's easy to use. It makes use of a couple of tables, including a pivot table. So some of the problems I had while developing this was a problem with my database. So to do this, I went into my config file and my config/database, and I had to add something about what sockets work. My socket wasn't working. I have no idea what happened on my computer, but I got it fixed by learning what a socket was and how MAMP uses them. So that was for local development, and that wasn't really a problem for production. And then after that, I had an issue where I had a couple of view files, if you see here, but I didn't want the view files to be specifically about if it's just for editing something, or because I wanted it to be kind of compress that all into one file. And I didn't know how to do that, but then I learned how to use blade conditionals, and I use that here. This is an example of which I think it's a user profile account. So if you're in a team, what you can do is you can move your activity. I'm actually going to invite myself again. And you can click on another user and view their account. I have nothing set up here, but you can, for a user that does have something set up, so I have, I think, Jill at Harvard. Wait, I'm going to look at Jill's profile. Here I have some information about her. She's a developer from Boston, loves coffee, and she's made 0 updates, so she's not very productive. Oh no. So yeah, but if you click on your own, you can visit the edit page, and that's all done by using blade conditionals. So if the user ID is not the current user, but if then it shows the kind of the production display. But if it's not, you can edit everything. So it's pretty great. It uses all 4 CRUD commands: create, read, update, and destroy. For example, if you leave a team that you're the only member of, then it deletes the entire team. When you kick somebody out of a team, it deletes all their activities, and updating is kind of straightforward. Reading is kind of straightforward, and same with creating as well. So that's my project. I had a lot of fun doing it. I actually wanted to do this for a while since I really wanted a product like this for my own school projects. I tried making it in a framework called Meteor, but that didn't really work out. But because of how JavaScript is, but it's a lot easier to implement in PHP and SQL, so I was happy about that. Anyway, this is my project. Thank you for watching.